We have the 2018 BMW 4 Series. This vehicle has done just under 62,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media and radio, communication, navigation, connected drive, my vehicle, and notifications. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.